Did you ever see an unhappy horse? Did you ever see a bird that had blues? One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy because they are not trying to impress others. That's the simple thing. So don't try to impress others. Today I welcome all of you to our open house meeting program. I am Mayur Wagmode and I will be the sergeant at arm for this meeting. I am a software engineer and I love playing chess. As everyone has mission in their life, similarly, our Toastmasters Club has the mission. The mission of our Toastmaster Club is to provide supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self confidence and personal growth. Now, before starting, let me announce few ground rules of this meeting. Please turn off your cell phone or put them on silent mode if you are not using to join this meeting. Put your microphone unless please put your microphone on mute unless instructed by the TMOD. Please keep your video on because nobody likes to talk with machine and unless and until you don't have issue with the bandwidth, please turn on your camera, and if you want to move somewhere else, please turn off your camera because it distracts the speaker. There are few more rules as well. Do not share your screen unless it is instructed by the TMOD. Please use emojis like claps and smiley faces to react throughout the meeting. For all role players, please pin the timer window so that you can see the timing reports. And for greeting, you can say, Madam President, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests, good morning, good afternoon, good morning, whatever you feel. As per the we proceed ahead. Now me start the uh, let me start the guest introduction. So as this is the open meeting for all of us, and it doesn't matter you are Toastmaster or not Toastmasters. So we have a couple of guests today. Is like I would like to urge the guests to come forward and introduce themselves. Like they can tell their name, their profession, and how did they came to know. You might be invited by someone, or you might saw on social media. So I request to guests to voluntarily introduce themselves. Whoever like to go first.
Okay, can I go first?
Yes, sure.
Okay, my name is Vivek Ahir, and I have done my engineering from D.Y. Patil College, Pimpri. Right now, I am not working anywhere. I am preparing for UPSC Civil Services exam from home. Apart from that, I came to know about Toastmasters from a Google search. So from Google, I was led to a Quora answer where somebody had said ki you can join Toastmasters to improve your talking skills, etc. And I was searching for it because I always wanted to be like taking part in public speaking and all, but I was too shy to do it. So after 26 years, I am trying for the first time. So
thank you so much.
Goes.
Thank you so much, Vivek, for the brief introduction. So, is there anyone who is willing to introduce themselves?
Yeah, Mayuresh, this is a hello, good morning. This is Mahendra here. Actually, I was a member of this club, but presently my membership is not active. And really happy that our club is growing in such a way I'm so excited, and certainly I will join due to my audit activity. I'm busy, but certainly I will join in New Year. Thank you, Marish.
Thank you, Mahendra. I would request a few more guests. Please do voluntarily come and introduce. We would like to welcome.
Hello,
Yes.
myself Ganesh Raut. Actually, I'm living in Pune for 23 years. So I did my graduation in mechanical engineering and now working in a multinational company now. So as far as my hobbies are concerned, playing cricket and running. And as far as weakness is concerned, my greatest weakness is like a fear of public speaking and fluency in spoken English. So some my friend suggested me to join Toastmaster Club to overcome this issue. So friends, I'm here for this purpose. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I would like to take more two guests. There are many more, but I would like to take more two guests. Please introduce to the club.
Morning,
Yes,
my name
people.
is Vipin Bhate. I have completed my graduation in physics at ST College in Pune, and I have also completed NCC certificate, in which I got to learn many skills like there were GDs, group discussion. So here I will get an opportunity to polish my skills. So I want to, and I got to know about this Toastmaster from one of my friends. Invited me to join this. I'm glad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vipul. I really appreciate that you joined. Uh, I would like to take last one. So Mohit is there. Mohit, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, hi Mayur. Hi everyone. I am Mohit Nimgaonkar. I am a software engineer and I am living in Pune. So I was also in search of such platform where I can talk to various personalities from various backgrounds. Thanks to Mayur, because of you only I came to know that the Toastmaster club and everything. So thank you, Mayur.
Thank you, Mohit. Thank you. Is there anyone or you can? We will take guest introductions in later time. So now let's move ahead, and now it's time to introduce our presiding officer. Our presiding officer is someone who is working as a tech analyst, as a senior tech analyst, I would say, and she always loved to singing and dancing. She is a Toastmaster since 2018, almost since 3 years. She is in Toastmaster journey, and recently she is also known as Big Boss of our club. With big round of applause, let me introduce our presiding officer, Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so very much, and a very warm welcome to the area director, to all the distinguished guests, and special welcome to our keynote speaker and to all the Toastmasters who have arrived today to our event of open house. Now it is December time, and all of us, maximum of us, are having the vacation time because as clients are on leave. But still, then making this occasion so special and making your time to attend the Toastmasters meeting. Thanks a lot. Now, what is open house all about? Open house is the special meeting which is for the networking with various guests and with various background, not just with guests, but even the Toastmasters of various clubs, so that we intermingle ourselves or we introduce the culture of Toastmasters to our guests and make them more advanced or make the learning more advanced about the Toastmasters and encourage the enthusiasm and pleasure in joining the Toastmasters club. And apart from this, Toastmasters is not just about the fun environment or the networking, it's even about leadership as well as your communication skills. So, today I hope all the guests, along with our special Toastmasters, our guest Toastmasters, and even our club members, everybody would have a rocking time today in the meeting So today's meeting is just a special meeting. So we'll have our keynote speaker first addressing, and our keynote speaker would even answer all the guest questions pertaining to the topic. So our keynote speaker, let me just, without any gap of time or without any late, let me just introduce our keynote speaker. Our keynote speaker is someone who is known as the family of our club. He has not been a guest Toastmaster to our club, but he has very well been like a family to our club. And he has almost helped our club in various opportunities. And not just our club, he's a known face in the Toastmasters fraternity and the rock, strong pillar of the Pimpri Toastmasters Club, and the coach and the mentor of the Genesis Club. And he has been a Toastmaster for almost 4 years. And when asked about his hobbies, I must say his hobbies are mentoring, because whenever you go to him, you can only listen to the word of advices. And he's someone whom I reach out if I have any query related to any role play or anything pertaining to Toastmasters. So with further delay, let me just introduce our keynote speaker with his title, The Best Investment. So let us see what is hidden in his keynote speech today. So the best investment, keynote speaker Toastmaster Manu. Toastmaster Manu, the best investment. Over to you, Toastmaster Manu.
A few days back, my childhood friend Tushar was asking me to invest in Bitcoins, saying that it is a big thing. You will be happy about making this wise choice. Our club's VP Education, Lokesh, was telling me, Manu, share market and mutual funds is the way to go. You will mint money in the coming years. Now, we all know that there are many investment avenues available to us. Share market, Bitcoins, gold, real estate, the list can go on and on and on. But how many of you think that this is the right choice? We all know that it comes with a disclaimer. Investments are subject to some market risk. Investments are subject to market risk. What if I told you there is a form of investment which will give you huge dividends no matter how the market is performing? Are you curious to know what that investment avenue is? Area Director, dear Toastmasters and guests, I believe that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So rather than telling you what that investment avenue is, I would request our Zoom master to show it on the screen. Zoom master Mayur, can you help me? How many of you made out what that investment is? The right choice. You can unmute and try to answer.
Yourself.
What do you think? Yes, Mayuresh.
The best investment is in yourself.
Amazing, Mayuresh. You're bang on target. The best investment is investing in yourself. And I don't think I need to do any convincing over here that this is one investment which would never fail to give you the desired results. The only thing which is required is that you work on yourself. I remember receiving a beautiful image in my WhatsApp long time back, but it has stuck in my mind. It was a statue, a clay statue or a stone statue of a man chipping himself with a chisel. And when you look at his torso, the upper portion of his body, it was chiseled beautifully. well built, but he was chipping away the excess fat from his lower body. Most of you might have seen that. Now, when you try to imagine that image, you may think that that image or that statue is demonstrating that you need to work on your physical self. Now, when I say that you need to invest in yourself, there are many things that you can do. Definitely, your health, your physical fitness, that can be one aspect of it. But there are many other aspects. And today, I'm going to focus on one aspect, which, again, I would like to demonstrate. So I want you to lend your ears. Let me know if you're able to hear my computer sound. Show me a thumbs up. Guest Vivek and Mayuresh can do it for me. Let me know if you're able to hear. You can hear the computer sound, music?
Yes,
Music is audible?
Yes.
Yes, it's audible.
Yes, thank you.
एक दिन दिख जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन दिख जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ना हो बस में तेरे कुछ भी माना, तेरा धर्म है अपना कर्म निभाना। ना हो बस में तेरे कुछ भी माना, तेरा धर्म है अपना कर्म निभाना। तेरे
I wish
पीछे
I could play this song forever. In the interest of time, I have to speak. And this song, it's a rare version of Kishore Kumar's song from the movie Dharam Karam. And it is highlighting the importance of communication. Ek din bik jayega mati ke mool. Means one day things will be gone past. And what will happen? Jag mein reh jayenge pyare tere bol. The only thing people will remember is the words that you said. That is the power of words. What you say has an impact on others. It may have a positive or a negative impact. So how good a communicator are you? Do you think you have mastered communication? Raise your hand if you think you are good at communication. And if you think there is no further scope for improvement. I'm sure most of the hands will go down. When you are in the race of quality, there is no finish line. And my dear friends, I want all of you to be in that race of quality. Be a better version of yourself. Invest in yourself. I really appreciate all the audience over here during this festive season or time when a lot of companies or individuals are taking time off and relaxing. You decided to be here. We did not decide to be here because we had time. We made a conscious choice to be here. Now, what matters is whether after making this conscious choice of being here, you take it to the next level. By becoming a member of Toastmasters Club, that commitment is a crucial element of any personal development journey. How many of you are Salman Khan fans over here? I am not a Salman Khan fan, but I am a fan of one of his dialogue. एक बार मैंने जो कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता हूं. That's an amazing dialogue. So irrespective of whether you like Salman Khan as a hero, try to build this habit of self-discipline. That once you make a commitment, you don't even listen to yourself. You bring it to a completion. Now, I have been trying to incorporate this thing. we are living in a world wherein we know a lot of things, but we don't even do a small percentage of what we know. And that is where success is determined. Bridge the gap between knowing and doing. Commit yourself to your personal excellence journey. Invest in yourself. Trust me, that is the best investment you can ever make in your life. Over to you, presiding officer, President Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster Manu, for that wonderful introduction. The best investment is always investing in yourself or self-love. As I always, I'm the best promoter of self-love. So there is nothing less than self-love. Spend some time for yourself. Spend some time for something which you really like. Spend some time on your self-improvement. That is all what we require. So as we have allocated some 5 to 10 minutes for the Q&A session, if anybody has any question and answer related to the Toastmasters, Manu has very well briefed us, Toastmaster Manu has very well briefed us, like what is the importance of investing yourself, or what is the importance of taking the leisure time and joining the Toastmasters club. So let me just ask few questions. If the guests have few questions, please go ahead. This time is all yours, and we have just 5 to 10 minutes of time for you guys to ask any question, and this is the best time to introduce yourself also. So guests, you can please go ahead. I have our keynote speaker Manu along with us, and even I would be more than happy to answer if anybody has any questions pertaining to Toastmasters. How can they join? How can they pursue? And what exactly is Toastmasters? Even the basic to basic questions. Please go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. Can I go ahead?
Yes, please. Please go ahead.
My camera is not working. Therefore, my video is off. Currently, I am doing preparing for MBA entrance exam. Therefore, in future, I need good communication skills. Therefore, I joined this club. And this is my first meeting. I want to ask that how the program is going in ahead. मतलब क्या क्या आप इस program में लेते हैं?
Sure, definitely. And welcome to the club first. So we haven't, as you have joined recently, firstly, we would have an induction program for you that will be taken care by our VP Education Toastmaster Chandra, as well as our VP Membership Abhishek and myself. So Toastmasters is all about, if you ask me, like how actively you take part in it. Because until and unless just by joining Toastmasters will not suffice or will not fulfill your motto. You need to actively participate, actively take roles, mingle up with people, learn along with people. Because the more you see, the more you learn. If you see someone speaking up, because whatever I learned is from the way I attended the meeting or from the way I saw the speaker speaking up. So it's a very, very good decision that you have joined the Toastmasters, but the further growth is in your hands, my friend. You need to actively participate and actively coordinate, actively take roles, actively connect with your mentor whenever it comes to the help related to your speeches. So all the very best for your journey. And we wish you more and more, and we wish to see you as a very, very active member in our club going forward. And one thing you missed to say your name, and I'm unable to recognize you in the speaker's thing.
Ma'am, my name is Deepak Gawari, and I'm serious about being active member in this club.
Then you're at the very, very right place.
Thank you.
All the very best for your journey. And we'll connect very soon with the induction plan for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. And anybody else who wants to know more about Toastmasters or who wants to join Toastmasters very soon?
Mohit has raised the hand. Mohit, you can go ahead.
Yes, Mohit.
Yes, so I have one doubt. Like, I reside in Kothurud. So is it there something like I need to join the Toastmaster club specific for the Kothurud, or can I join any other Toastmaster club? First thing. And second thing, if I want to join the Toastmaster club, what procedure I need to go through?
I think I'll give this opportunity to Toastmaster Manu.
Thank you, Toastmaster Swati. So it was Mohit, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So Mohit, as far as joining a club, right now that we are meeting on the virtual platform, you're free to join any club. In fact, even otherwise, you can join a club which is not in your vicinity. There is no restriction. Okay, you're free to join any club. The only thing is when it comes to physical meetings, you may spend a lot of time on travel. But even in that scenario, what I would suggest is, Mohit, join a club which gives you more of a feeling of a home club. Okay, when you join as a guest, if you find people who are friendly to your liking, that is the right choice to make, Mohit. And as far as the joining formalities are concerned, Toastmasters International is a non-profit organization. A nominal fee is charged, which goes to Toastmasters International to manage their operations. The club retains a very small percentage of it. All those details would be shared by the club's membership, vice president membership, and I'm sure it would be covered in the induction, or I'm not sure if the induction is kept open for guests as well. Swati, even the guests can join the induction to get better understanding.
Toastmaster Manu, induction is once they turn into the member, but definitely post the meeting, we have a fellowship, we have a guest briefing.
Yeah. So what I would suggest, Toastmaster Swati, when you're conducting the induction, the guests who are interested, right, you can invite them as well so that they get to know more about Toastmasters and they can take an informed decision. That is something that I have found effective. So 1 hour induction. Yeah. So thank you. So Mohit, I hope I have answered your question regarding the fees and all. The club leadership team will get in touch and update you. So Swati, please make a note that we need to get back to Mohit with the joining fees and other things.
Yes. Thanks, Manu.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Thank you, Mohit.
No.
Yeah. From other guests, please feel free. Take it as an opportunity to speak. Grab every opportunity that you get. Yes, Vandana, I see you switching on the camera. Do you have any question, Vandana?
No, sir. I don't have any doubt. I just wanted to introduce myself.
Yes.
I'm
please.
Vandana. I stay in Pune only. And I also wish to join Toastmasters soon. Once I had visited Toastmasters, Pimpe Saudagar branch, long back, but then I did not get proper time to join the batches. But now as it's online, I would definitely join it. And my basic interest is in anchoring. I am not very used to, but I want to learn anchoring because I would like to do anchoring in future. So my basic interest is public speaking and all. I am not very used to, but I want to learn it. And my problem is like when there's no one in front of me, I speak very confidently and all. But in front of people or public, I get very nervous. So all that confidence goes off somewhere.
Okay.
So that I want to gather my confidence and be a good public speaker like you all.
Yes. So Vandana, you have come to the right platform. Don't delay your decision. I committed the same crime and I keep advising people that don't delay your decision. Unfortunately, people like me came to know about Toastmasters in their 40s. If I would have come to know about it in my 20s, I would have joined and now I would have had 20-25 years of Toastmasters experience. And I am a Toastmaster for life. I have committed myself. It has been almost 2 years. I have not missed a single meeting. That is how committed I am to my goal. I am very focused. I want to learn and develop. So when this opportunity was given to me, I grabbed it with both hands. So if you want to be a good anchor, a good communicator, Vandana, or all the guests over here, grab these kind of small opportunities. Take that one bold step and you will see the transformation happening. In my 2.5 years, more than 2.5 years of Toastmasters journey, I have seen a lot of people transforming themselves. So don't delay, commit yourself. It's a small investment that you're making and you're going to get lifetime returns.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Any other guest or yes, Swati, you want to add something?
I would like to add on to Vandana's thing. People don't agree now because I speak a lot, so people don't agree now, but I am an introvert and I face an issue in speaking to people. I can't speak to 5 people at a time, or I can't speak to 10 people at a time. For me, one on one. Just if one person is right in front of me, I'll speak to him for the entire day. But if in a group, I was a sort of person who was very much comfortable. So Toastmasters taught me, like, even virtual was something that was pretty new to all of us. I mean, even we never knew that how the situation changed and why we are speaking to these cameras or why we are in this Zoom meeting for such long. And I can look into this straight into the camera and I can speak. That's all because of Toastmasters. So don't fear, even if you are an introvert. If anchoring is your thing, go for it. Only thing is you need to look straight and speak to your camera. That's the only thing
Yeah.
that is expected.
I'm an
Thank you.
introvert. I'm an introvert, but still I love anchoring.
High five. We can do it. We can do it. Being an introvert is nothing wrong. We all can do it.
Yeah. Thank you. Ma'am.
Yeah, in the interest of time, we can take probably one more question. Anyone? Yes, this is your last opportunity to ask a question in this session. Anyone has any question directed to me or the president of the club? No questions? Okay. So in that case, over to you, President Toastmaster Swati, to take things forward. Thank you all
Thank you
for this
so very
wonderful
much,
opportunity.
Master Manu, for that very interactive and very enthusiastic topic, as well as this Q&A. And I hope it would have been useful to all the guests. So all the guests can DM their number or can leave their number through me, because as our VP membership is not present today. So they can leave their number in the personal chat through the Zoom meeting, and we will definitely get back to you all. And today we'll be having a brief guest introduction also for 10 to 15 minutes or for half an hour, whatever time you say. So we'll be available to answer all your questions, and we would be more than eager to know each and every one of you personally. Thank you so very much. And now is the most exciting part of the meeting. That's the table topics, as it's a special meeting for the guests, and all guests can actively take part in the table topics. And our table topics master, Toastmaster Insia, is very much excited to go ahead and to introduce our table topics theme and even the table topics friends who will help her in today's meeting and all the role players. So, without any fail of time, I would like to introduce our table topics master, Toastmaster Insia, and I would leave the stage on to her to introduce her gang or her power today. And let's see. And I hope you all enjoy the table topics. And I request each and every one of you to enthusiastically take part in the table topics. Over to you, Toastmaster Insia.
Sorry to
Yes, Insia?
no, actually someone else was speaking. So I'm sorry to interrupt Insia and Swati. Actually, I just wanted to ask, can we have the introduction of the grammarian and the counter and timer so that they can use the word of the day and phrase of the day in the table topic speeches?
Yes, actually, I was just going to do the same. I was just about to introduce.
Yeah.
So I will do that quickly.
Okay.
So
Thanks, Swati.
yeah, Madam President, fellow Toastmasters, and very dear guests, a very good morning to one and all. So as DTM Meenal rightly pointed out, that now it's time for us to introduce our role players for today, who will be helping us meeting. So firstly, I would like to introduce the timer for today, who is a software QA lead by profession, who loves running, playing guitar and exploring history. That is Toastmaster Mayuresh. I would really like Toastmaster Mayuresh to please explain your role.
Thank you, table topic master Insia. Madam President, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. My name is Mayuresh Ahirra and I'll be serving as a timer for today's table topic session. I'll be timing the speeches of our speakers and signal the speaker using the green, yellow, and red cards. But rather than cards, I think that do today is that. Please let me know if you can see my screen. I'll be sharing my screen like this, and when the speaker starts speaking, I'll just start the timer so that the speaker will be and okay, sorry. I'll share my screen when the first when the when the green light is seen, so that the timer will know that now it is the time for them to finish. And after 1 minute, the green light will be after 1 minute and 30 seconds, yellow light will be shown, and after 2 minutes, the red light will be shown. After the red light is shown, that means the time is over. A grace period of 30 seconds is given. After that, the screen will start blinking, so it will be indication that it is time to stop. Thank you, and over to you, table topic master Insia.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mayuresh, for explaining your role. Now it's time for somebody who will be looking out for, who will be keeping an eye on our words and the phrases that we are going to use. So now it's time for introducing the grammarian for today, who is an engineer by profession and who loves reading. I guess that is the reason he's chosen this role. So let's introduce the grammarian for today, Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you, table topic master Toastmaster Insia, to give me an opportunity to introduce the word of the day, phrase of the day. Please allow me to share my screen. Yes, I have the opportunity to share it. Thank you. Okay, so grammarian role. As a grammarian, it's my responsibility to take care for the good or not so good usages of the words or the language that I will note down and then definitely explain you how you could improve. A part of this, because we are spending our time in this meeting, so it's my responsibility to share some more insights. So let me share word of the day. The word of the day is entice. It's a verb. Synonymous, lure, tempt, attract, seduce. These are the synonymous. I hope you got the understanding what entice means. Let me move it. The meaning, to persuade someone to do something by offering something pleasant, to attract artfully or adroitly, or by arousing hope or desire. Example, a smell of coffee in the doorway enticed people to enter the shop. Second example, he has unbounded energy to entice people to get the job done. Now I will introduce phrase of the day. Phrase of the day is hit the book. Hit the book doesn't mean you have to take a hammer and then smash it. No. Hit the books mean start study or study hard or to get engaged reading books if you are not doing earlier. Example, those masters to get the inspiration for speeches. Hit the books to stay motivated. Tomorrow I have exam, therefore I need to hit the books. So that was the phrase of the day. But this is a special meeting. Let me introduce one more. There are 12 different types of figure of speeches. So today I have chosen personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which an idea or thing is given human attributes or feeling or is spoken as if it were human, like smiling Sunday, smiling Sunday morning. Yes, books reach out to kids. The hair on my arm stood after the performance. Pictures says a lot. And the top corner, I hope you already know, note down, dancing candles. Yes, word of the day, phrase of the day, figure of speech, try to use as much as possible. And if you are using it, definitely I will note down your names and then announce it properly. Okay, so now I want to give you an opportunity to try word of the day, phrase of the day. Anyone who want to try?
Jay, I wanted to try.
Please go ahead.
So the moment I got to know that today's Toastmaster session will be majorly focused upon this table topic session, it enticed me and forced me to join the meeting.
Perfect, perfect.
And for the figure of speech, the new Mahindra XUV 500 personified me, a big, muscular, bulky man.
Perfect. Great. Thank you. Anyone?
I would like to try.
Please go ahead.
The way of speaking of a Toastmaster has enticed the guests to join the TMCPNW.
Yes, perfect. Perfect. Toastmaster Pradeep. Anyone else? If you are using it, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I was going through one of the psychologist videos. So he has told about Think and Grow. So that one book, after telling his, and then I have decided to hit the book, Think and Grow.
Perfect. 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 Super. So anyone else want to try?
Yes,
Please, Ved Prakash, please go ahead.
I'd like to use the figure of the speech.
Perfect.
Okay. So when I recently visited a garden, I could see that the daisies were dancing in the breezes.
Super. One of the best example of personification. Great, my friend. Great job. Anyone else? If you are using it, only then you could remember. Otherwise, you will forget it. Like the lot of things we have forget in our life. Anyone else wants to try?
Shall I try, Toastmaster Jay?
Please go ahead, Toastmaster Venkatesh.
The gaming counter at mall always entice kids.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
And I would like to use phrase of the word as well. When you want to answer any competitive exam, you need to hit the book.
Super. Great. So just
Can I go
want
next,
to
Toastmaster Jay?
Definitely. Just I want to request. I will not say Toastmaster again and again because it will disturb. I will just take the names. So Mayuresh, please go ahead.
Thank you, Jay. So my sentence is, Shiv Shahir Baba Saheb Purandare was a personification of history in our recent times. He was the one who enticed many 2 or 3 generations to hit the books regarding history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. I being one of them.
Great, 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 Mayuresh. Any other guest who wants to try? You could raise your hand, and then my team members will help me to identify you because I can't see the names. Anyone?
So I will.
Yeah, Vanna, please go ahead.
Now that schools have started again, it's time for kids to hit the books.
Perfect. Perfect. One of the most related phrase of the day. The use is super. And I hope you could remember it for a long time because guest one and the future. So anyone else? Shamli, please go ahead.
This lockdown had from there and I started hitting the
Perfect. Perfect. Because I'm also using my time by hitting the books on a regular basis. So now I think I already took a lot of time. So this is my responsibility to hand over back to our table topic master. So Toastmaster Inshia, please take it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jay, for the wonderful explanation of your role and how you have enticed so many people to use the word of the day and phrase of the day. Now it's time for the person who is going to keep account of my R's and Ums, who is also a team leader at ATOS, who loves watching movies and cricket. So I want Manoj to please come forward and explain his role.
Thank you, fellow Toastmaster guest. Good morning. I am glad to be the accountant of today's meeting. The purpose of note down whisk and but, so, and you know. Filler sound can be a or any unnecessary sound or unnecessary pauses. Thank you. Over to Toastmaster Insia.
Thank you, Toastmaster Manoj. Now, let's dive into our fun session for today. So today we are going to have a really fun and interesting session, which is called as the table topics. So it is merely designed for our guests so that they can come up and speak impromptu. So firstly, I would like to just give you a brief introduction of how it is going to work. So the table topic session is where, as I mentioned, that you're going to be thinking on your feet. I will be giving you a topic and the guest will have to speak on that topic for minimum 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes 30 seconds. The timer has already informed you about the timing guidelines. Today I'm going to have a little twist in the table topic. Whoever wants to participate voluntarily will come up, or I will be choosing one of them. So the person will come up and will have to choose a number from 1 to 12. Once the person chooses the number, he or she will be given the topic. Okay. Is everybody clear with, all the guests are clear with the?
I have a question.
Yes.
So how much time will we get to prepare for the topic we get after you show us the, after we select the number?
Okay. I think, Toastmaster, can you answer, because I think there is no time that has been given, right? If I'm not wrong.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. 30 seconds is the
Okay.
time.
So 30 seconds will be given for you to think about what you're going to speak about. Is there any other questions regarding the session? Is it crisp and clear?
Yes.
Yes, everybody. Can I get a thumbs up so that I can understand that all the guests are clear with the instructions? Okay, so let us begin. Are you all excited? Just, I need to know that so that I get some energy.
Yes.
Are you all excited
Yes,
for the
Toastmaster
session?
Insia, let's go ahead.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So let's begin. Anybody who wants to voluntarily come up? So I can begin. You can put a thumbs up or I will be choosing.
Insia,
So is
let's
there
start
somebody-
with the youngest.
Okay. Okay.
I have Hunar and Diksha over there who were
Okay.
raising their hands for quite a long time. So Hunar, would you like to participate?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Hunar, can you please choose a number?
Yeah, sure. 9.
9. Okay. So the topic is, what would you do with the ability to become invisible for a day? Hunar, what would you do with the ability to become invisible for a day?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so should I start?
Yes.
So if I were to be invisible for a day or two, so first of all, what I like to do is, as I'm a child still, so I would like to go video game store and just start taking out some of the video games along with the controller, of course, to play off some of them, because I never have experience to play some video games. I have, but on phones. So I would like to play some of them. What I would like to do is to downplay, so there are children who I would like to bully. So I will go for that. And as I am visible, I can sneak into the kitchen and have anything. Then another thing I would like to do is, I would like to do school as I am invisible, and I'd like behind the teacher to do some things to just liven up the class. It would entice me to go to school every day then. Also, if I were to be invisible, I also have a sister. So I would like to travel her a lot. Thank you.
Okay, I think we should be having a round of applause. That sounds like a plan to me. I think I would also like to do most of the things that you said. Okay, it was really appreciable that you came up and spoke. Now, is there somebody else who wants to volunteer? Okay, can I see a hand? It's Jay Prakash. Okay, so Jay Prakash, can you please choose a number?
I'll go for number 5.
Number 5. Okay, so the topic is, in 1 year from today, how do you think your life will be different? Jay Prakash, in 1 year from today, how do you think your life will be different? Jay Prakash.
Firstly, thanks a lot, Table Topic Master, for giving me this opportunity to speak, and again giving me this wonderful topic. The topic seems to be very relevant right now, since I graduated last year, and ever since then I've been working from home, from my hometown Ahmednagar, and I joined a company in Pune. But I'm just dying to visit Pune ever since then, waiting for my company to call me to start working from office. So one thing that I see me doing after a year maybe is that I maybe soon I'll be coming to Pune, and just enjoying that life. It's been almost 2 years now since I've lost all my touch with friends. I just hope I visit Pune and catch up with friends, make new friends over there, and just hang around. Also, people personality, being a people's person, I'm working with people, collaborating. So I think maybe after a year, especially the tourist places, the nightlife in general, and a lot of other things. Apart from that, I have some plans. Maybe I'm preparing for an exam right now. If I score good, maybe I'd be landing up in a good college and doing my MBA from somewhere. So just fingers crossed, hoping for the best in a year. If these things come out to be true, I'd be happiest. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, I would like that people please have a very round of applause cheering for the guest, if that is something what people can please get into. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Okay, Jayaprakash, thank you. And I think Pune will be really glad to have you back. And I hope that you fulfill whatever you want in a year. Okay, now is there anybody else who wants to volunteer?
There are a couple of hands. We can.
Okay. I'm not able to see. Okay. So should I start with Mohit?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Mohit. Please give me a number.
It's 3.
3. Okay. So Mohit, if you could be the CEO of any company, what company would you choose? If you could be the CEO of any company, what company would you choose, Mohit?
Yes. So if I get the chance to become CEO of particular company, I will choose TCS. Yeah. The first thing is it is an Indian company. Second thing is TCS is the India's third largest IT company. Third thing is apart from technology field, TCS is doing a lot of other activities, and also it is helping the people from various backgrounds to join. The culture in the TCS is mixed culture. There is no any restriction from any of the community. Apart from that, TCS is supporting the associates who belongs to the part of the world which is which we can say it is way behind. Like TCS has branch in Africa also. TCS has branch in Middle East also. So, and after becoming the CEO, my wish is to start the TCS offices in the places at the places which are too behind, and where the people cannot even or the students who cannot afford or the education, higher education opportunities. So after becoming the CEO, my first priority will be to start the offices at that places. Then using the CSR fund, start the good education, educational institutes at that places, so that we can promote those students. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mohit. That was really some very good plan of action that you have in your mind. Okay, now we will go for Diksha. I think right. Diksha, can you please tell me the number?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to choose 7.
7. Okay. If you could go back in time and tell your younger self one thing, what would it be? Diksha, if you could go back in time and tell your younger self one thing, what would it be?
Yes. Okay. Yes. So, I would like to tell my younger self. First of all, I'll go to the past and tell myself. I would like to tell how to make a cake, how to cook something for ourselves, as it is hard. It is as I like to cook like cakes and bake things like cookies. So I'll tell myself how to bake a cake and chocolate cake. So I will tell my mother in the past also. In my past, when I would be a baby, I tell myself that I want to make a cake, and if any time currently my mother goes to buy shopping or anything else, and she leaves us by my. So we have lot of fun. So it is likely to make a cake. My mother is gone. Me and my mother will make a cake and have fun, watch movies. So I will tell myself when I would be younger this. Thank you.
Good job. Well and confidently. Now it's time for I think Deepak. Deepak, can you tell me what number have you chosen?
To choose 3.
3. Okay, actually 3 has already been chosen. Can you choose something else?
Then I would like to choose 9.
9. Even that has been chosen.
Then give me 6.
6. Okay. So if you were allowed to ban one vegetable, what would it be and why? So Deepak, if you were allowed to ban one vegetable, what would it be and why? Deepak.
Okay. If I were allowed to ban one vegetable, I will definitely ban potato, because currently my weight is I have weight around 80 kgs and I'm trying to reduce my weight. Therefore, potatoes have many calories than other vegetables. Potato is also good, but for anyone who want to lose their weight, potato is a very calorie, high calorie food. Therefore, I will ban potato. Thank you.
Okay. Good job done, Deepak. Please, can I see some round of applause? I'm really glad that you came and spoke, and maybe I would also like to ban potato only. I think my weight is also increasing. I may support you in that. Okay, now we have Vipul. Can you choose?
Yes, ma'am. 7 number.
Okay, 7 is done. Can you choose something in between 5, 10, 11, 12?
8.
8. Okay. So the question is, what is something you have tried but would never do again? Vipul, what is something you have tried but would never do again?
Okay. Ha. Good morning, all of the guests, the Toastmasters, and you. Myself, Vipul Khadge. My topic is that what I have done earlier but never tried in future is that I will never self-doubt myself. Okay, that I am not unable to do something. Earlier, I was in doubt that I was also feared of means public speaking. But yesterday, one of my friend Mayur invited me to join this link. So then I thought of, should I take this first step? Is this good? Or then also I was doubting myself, what should I do? But it's like now I have committed after listening to Toastmaster Manu sir. I have committed that I will be doing this in future and will be joining the family of Toastmaster. That's the only thing I want to improve in myself, that I shouldn't doubt myself. And I also want to urge all of the guests that never doubt yourself. You can do anything. It's nothing impossible. The word impossible also means I am possible. So thank you.
Thank you, Vipul. That is, I think, one of the most wonderful piece of advice and teaching that we're going to take from today, right, Toastmasters and guests? I think you all agree to me. Okay, now, is there any other hands? Because is there any other people who wants to volunteer? Okay, I cannot see any hands. Is because Toastmaster Mayur, is there any hands?
No, yes, I can see. I can see Vandana has raised her hand.
Okay, so Vandana. Yes.
Ma'am, number 5.
Actually, I will just put it out the numbers that has not been chosen, so it will be easy for you to choose.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, so I have put it in the chat. Please go through it and maybe you can choose a number from that. Number 4. Okay. If you were to pick one movie to be your life, which one would it be? Vandana. If you were to pick one movie to be your life, which one would it be? Vandana. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Vandana. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Yes.
I will try.
Yes, sure.
Talking about the movie, I would say that a very inspiring movie for me right now is Mary Kom. Like the life story is very beautiful. That in the initial stage, when a person is not is doing something, like even I was in sports line initially, but I could not do much because of few things. I had to leave it initially, but in the movie also the same has been shown. Like initially a person struggles a lot, she has to leave her sports line for some reason, but even after few years after getting married also she comes back and she achieves her aim. So same I would take it as a inspiring thing for my life too. Like even as I said earlier, initially few years back I had visited this Toastmasters Pimpri Saudagar branch, but I did not join because of few fears and also some other constraints. But now I have really committed to join, and even now I am shaky while talking, but still I won't step back now. I would go forward, and that would at that inspiring thing I would take from that movie. Thank you.
Really good job done, Vandana. Look at you. You have spoken for 1 minute 32 seconds, which is not bad at all. And that was really confident. Very good job. I'm sure that you're going to overcome your fears. Yes. Okay. Now, anybody else who has, or should I choose? Okay. Vivek, would you like
Okay.
to? Yes. So the numbers I've already given in the chat box that can be chosen
Yes,
from.
I would like to choose 12.
12. Okay. So, Vivek, what are 3 new things that you have recently explored about yourself? Vivek, what are 3 new things that you have recently explored about yourself?
Okay. Okay, hello everyone.
Hello.
3 new things I have recently explored about myself is the first is that I always thought of myself as who cannot talk much, and I have always been told you don't talk much, you don't talk much. So it always kind of reinforced that feeling I cannot talk much. But lately I have been trying to go out, like go to places where I can talk with people, and I have been able to talk more than what I thought I could talk and interact. So that has been one thing. The second thing is I cannot think of anything.
It's okay. You can take time. So, I'm sure you have something.
Yes. No, I cannot really think of anything right now. That was the only thing, I guess, which I can think of.
Okay.
So thank you.
Okay, Vivek, well done. You tried really well, and I think you were quite confident also. So good job. Well done. Now, is there somebody else who has raised their hands? Again, because I'm not able to see. Toastmaster Mayur, if you can help me with that, if anybody has.
Not it.
Okay. So I think I might choose somebody. Okay, SR. I don't know the name, but can you tell me what is your name?
Yeah, actually, I'm new to this. Am I audible?
Okay. Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes. So would you
Yeah, I
like
am
to join?
Sundar Rajan, my name.
Yes. Hello, Sundar.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So choose a you can choose a number.
2.
Okay. So Sundar, if you were a food item, what would you be and why? Sundar, if you were a food item, what would you be and why?
If I were to be a food item,
Yes.
I will be a, yeah, mm, if I were to be a food item, I will definitely be an egg, because like it has so much of proteins and nutrients to give to daily day-to-day life. So, and it can be definitely consumed by like all the age groups, irrespective of their whatever the ailments they have, whether diabetics or whatever. And in this like time period, everyone whoever goes for the junk food for whichever taste, they can prefer like eggs. Like there is different variants on different dishes that can be made out of it. And it's pretty in a healthy diet for bachelors too. So that's it. So that's all I can tell about that. Thank you for that.
Good job, Sundar. That was a really nice attempt. Very good. Okay, so now is there somebody else or am I going to be choosing?
Before that, can we have a group photograph? Till that time, guests also think to go for table topic. They can make their mind. So I
Sure.
request everyone to please turn on their camera so that we can have a group photograph. I request Diksha, Ram, Mohit, Manu sir, Pradeep, Alkesh to turn on their camera so that we can have group photograph. Yes, now I can see. I request SR and Deepak as well. Now I'm capturing in 3, 2, 1. Capture. Thank you, everyone.
It was good to see everybody smiling, right, Toastmaster Mayur?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now I think Alkesh, do you want to go for it?
Yes, okay.
Yes. So can you please choose a number? So there is 3 numbers which I've put in the chat which you can choose from.
Out of 1, 10, 11.
Yes.
I will go for 1.
Okay. So Alkesh, if you could switch lives with anyone currently living for an entire day, who would it be? Alkesh, if you could switch lives with anyone currently living for an entire day, who would it be?
I'll be having a 30 seconds, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yes.
Good afternoon, friends. I'm Alkesh Kumar, and the topic given is I would like to go for a Prime Minister, India Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, for a 1 day. I know the job is very tedious one and very hectic, and also the routine. I am aware about the Mr. Narendra Modi. He works for 18 hours per day, and normally has the same diet on regular basis. It's a difficult task, but I am getting a chance for a one day, so I will surely go for the post of Prime Minister, because the benefits what he is getting. Whenever I hear a news, he's going to US, he's going to Germany, he's going to Europe and other countries every day. Like mostly he is going for visiting or some related to our country benefit activities, but still going to different countries whenever I want to go, that benefit I will surely take. And seeing exploring a new places, meeting a new people, knowing how their country is working, how they are going ahead compared to us, that learnings I can be able to incorporate myself in, I can bring to my country, and I will try to benefit each and every people. And also the procedures, set of activities like work-life balancing in corporate as well as the government companies, procedures can be maintained in India also. So that is the best opportunity if I can be a one-day Prime Minister. Thank you.
Good job, Alkesh. I think Narendra Modi sir's job is at risk. I think. Okay.
I agree.
Okay, so now we have two more. Do we have time? I just wanted to ask Toastmaster Mayur, how much more time do we have for this? Like, can we take two more, or how is it?
Swati, can you confirm?
Yes, we can go for two more. It's a special
Okay.
meeting and it's for guests. So
Yeah.
all are
Okay.
welcome. Whoever wants to participate, just go ahead. But just one request, whoever have participated, if you can personally ping me your mobile number so that we have a surprise for all you guys. We are planning to give the participation certificates to all of those for their wonderful participation today in the table topics from the club's end. And we wish to continue the interactions more and more, and we wish to have more of such sessions more. So please do add on your numbers, or you can message me over the personal chat, or I will leave my phone number so that you can even ping me up so that I can send you all your digital certificates once the meeting is done or once we close the meeting. And I hope everybody are in, right, Mayu? We all are in. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So do we have any more guests remaining? I think I've covered all the guests. Is there anybody who's not spoken for the table topics? Toastmaster Mayur, if you can help me with that. I think we've covered everybody. Yeah, I think we've covered all the guests. Now I think we can keep the other two for the Toastmasters. Let's see some Toastmasters speaking also. That would be fun.
Insia, before
Yes,
we go
ma'am.
ahead, can you just quickly announce the topic and announce the participants so that we can all turn on our videos and give a big round of applause to all our guests who have participated today in the table topics?
Okay. So do you want me to announce both the topic and the name, or
Yes,
only the
yes.
name?
Both the
We can,
topic,
sorry,
the topic
sorry
and
to
the
interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. Maybe we can take it from offline because recording is there. We know. Is it okay, Insia and
Yes.
Madam?
Yes.
Please.
Yeah, we can do the same.
But Toastmaster Jay, we can just have a big round of applause. It's not about the
Yes.
recording. We can just have a big round of applause. So
Sure.
please go ahead, Insia.
I would really want everybody to give a big round of applause for everybody.
Yeah, all the speeches were really nice. We were getting some
Wonderful.
input. Wonderful job. Really nice.
And Toastmaster Insia, one round of applause for you too for choosing such wonderful topics.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, topics were really nice.
Thank
Great
you.
job, Toastmaster Insia.
Thank you. Thank you. I think we'll just take one last. I want Toastmaster Manu to just take this. I'm really,
Yeah.
I am really, I think he will do a really good job. with
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.
Yes. So Toastmaster Manu, how many chickens would it take to kill an elephant? Toastmaster Manu, how many chickens would it take to kill an elephant?
The answer is really simple. Table topic master INSEA. I don't know. And why do I care how many chickens would be required to kill an elephant? Because I am a non-violent person. I don't like violence. And killing is something that is a strict no-no. Table topic master INSEA. Why should the poor elephant be killed? And why should we risk the lives of the chicken to kill the elephant? So in table topic, being a table topic master INSEA, don't give these violent topics.
Hello, am I audible?
I think Manu sir's video is frozen.
Yes. I thought I got stuck. Okay, I think Toastmaster Manu has got some network issues.
Correct.
Yes. So should we move ahead or how is it?
We can wait for more 10 seconds if he comes.
An opportunity to speak. Make sure that.
Yes, Toastmaster Manu, actually your audio and video got freezed. We were not able to hear you.
Sorry, I was this. Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Table topic master INSEA.
Yes, yes, now I can. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, now I can hear you, sir. There are some network issues, Toastmaster Manu.
Nanu, you are on mute.
Yes. Toastmaster Manu, I would. Yes, I think I'm facing. Okay. Okay, I think we will proceed forward. So, Toastmaster
Hello.
Swati, yes, hello. Okay, I think we'll proceed forward. Now, I would like to request Toastmaster Mayuresh to give in the timers report so that we can see that who all are qualified for voting.
Yes, of course, table topic master is here.
Yes.
So I have taken record of the time of all the speakers, all the guest speakers, and I have skipped timing for Toastmaster Manu sir because of his network issue.
Yes.
Out of our 10 guests who have spoken earlier, all are qualified for the voting. I'll just bring you the name of all of them and their respective timing so that you can start the poll.
Yes. Toastmaster Mayur, can you do the polling part? Like, will you be doing it?
Before that, can we ask Swati, because as it is a open house, so yeah.
Okay.
So Jay has
polling is
already
not required.
confirmed.
Okay.
So we will not take a poll.
Okay. So now, okay. Okay, Toastmaster Jay. So now I guess we will move forward. And now I would like to hand over to the general evaluator for today, who works with Tata Motors and love exploring places around in Pune, to give in the evaluation of overall meeting. Toastmaster Shyamli. Toastmaster Shyamli.
Thank you, Toastmaster INSEA.
Thank you.
Dear Toastmaster Nishu, Madam President, fellow Toastmasters and lovely guests, a very good afternoon. I am Toastmaster Shamli, General Evaluator for today's meeting. My role is to evaluate all the role players and meeting in general and provide the feedback for the same. So before proceeding for the same, now I would like to invite our counter to present his report.
Thank you, Toastmaster Saili. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible now.
Oh, sorry, I think there is some disconnecting in the net.
Okay, you can proceed now.
Yeah. So fearless speaker in the meeting is Toastmaster Jay. Please give a big episode for him. Now I'm going to share my data. Now everyone can able to see the screen.
Yes, we can.
So here is the accountant report. I think there is something that I missed. So Toastmaster Mayur, the total eligible is 4. Toastmaster Mayuresh, total 5. The Toastmaster Swati, 2. The Toastmaster Insia, 3. Toastmaster Manoj, 2. And Manu, the 1. The total guests are here.
Toastmasters Manoj, just a point to be noted that it's Hunar, not Hurar.
Manoj, you are not audible.
I think he is facing a network
Yes.
issue.
So General Evaluator, you can take the decision. You want to wait or should we go ahead? Please, thank you.
So shall we proceed further?
Yes, Toastmaster Shamli, the general evaluator, we can proceed further. And once, in case if he gets back, we can go ahead and we can proceed. We can get back to the report.
Okay, sure.
And we can publish the account report even in group also.
Okay, sure. So now I would like to invite Toastmaster Jay to present his grammarian report. Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you, General Evaluator, to give me an opportunity to share the report. But before that, I would like to say very warm good afternoon to all our distinguished guests, our area director, and all the members who have participated in it. So please allow me to share my screen. Give me a second. Okay. So just to re-emphasize the words, word of the day was entice, Leo Temptros. Phrase of the day was hit the books. Figure of speech was personification. Word of the day, phrase of the day, or figure of speech were used by several members. However, I was not able to take care for the minds. But Mayuresh, Venkatesh, Shamli, Vandana, very well done. And Pune will be happy once you are back in Pune. A great way to use the personification. So let's have a big round of applause for all the members who I was able to mention here whom I missed. So actually, I'm sorry for that, man. So let's have a big round of applause for all. Thank you. Now let's go ahead. So I focus more on the point for the improvement, but there are some points which I noticed down which are really good. Arrived today, join us today. Avenue, a way of doing or getting something. Committed, prepare to give a lot of your time and attention to something because you believe it is right or important. Bold step, fearless or daring, enthusiastically, feeling or showing strong excitement about something. Travel bluff, who travel by hook or crook in any case. Now let's go ahead for the point because we are more focused how to improve ourselves. Example, arrive today could be join us today because we are not arriving somewhere, we are joining the session. Convincing could be the to convince. There is no need to convince anyone. If you could hear, So here we are using when we are not focused on the sound, but here we are very much focused. We are listening a song. I want you have to listen this song. Prestige, that could be a pronunciation issue. The word was precious time. Without any gap or late, it could be without delay. With further delay, the logic was the without further delay. Very, very good decision. So maybe we could avoid the words very, very. We could directly say excellent decision. I would note down, I will do the timing. Could be I will record the time. Doing a lot of could be a doing a lot of. Next is after I becoming CEO. It could be after I became CEO. I could use this. I could do that. That could be promote students. We are not promoting student here. We are promoting education. That could help. I will tell my sister the story was in the past. So I would tell my mother to do this. I would tell my sister to do this. I would tell myself whatever. I will be doing this in future. I will do this in future. That could be a better phrase. I'm shaking. It should be I'm shaking during attempting this option. Country benefit could be for the benefit of country. Meeting is done. It should be meeting is over. Once the meeting is over. Now, one more tip which I want to share with all of you as a grammarian. Every day and every day, these both are having a different meaning. What is it? So every day we are using before a noun. Example, social media has become part of everyday life. Everyday crime is a serious issue in some cities. Every and day, when we are using as two words, the meaning change each day. I drink coffee every day. Her mom brushes her hair every day. People all over the world check Facebook every day, maybe every minute. Okay, that's all from my side. I did my job as per my capability. If there is any flaws, you could message me personally. I would be happy to correct myself. Thank you, and over to you, General Evaluator. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Jay, for the detailed report. Let me begin with my detailed report. I'll start with Surrogate at Arms, Toastmaster Mayur. You started meeting bang on time. You also made sure that guests are naming their names on the Zoom so that maximum members can participate in this open house meeting table topic session. Then you also explained club rules, club mission in a detailed way. What I like the most about your role is you carried your smile throughout the role. You were energetic, and it somehow helps to keep the energy, positive energy in the club. Great job done on that part. All in all, great. I really don't have any recommendation. Keep it up. Now coming towards the presiding officer, Toastmaster Swati, it was really inspiring, and you made sure to address the queries raised by the guests related to Toastmasters, and I'm sure that guests will be thinking to reinitiate their journey towards communication and leadership skills. Coming towards the keynote speaker, Toastmaster Manu, it was really inspiring. Let me tell you, I have restarted my Toastmasters journey after a breakup year, and your speech somehow motivated me to take up more roles and deliver more speeches. Thank you so much for that. Now, coming towards the grammarian, Toastmaster Jay, you explained word of the day, phrase of the day in a very clear manner. To add on the cake, you also added figure of speech and asked audience to use that. You made sure that maximum number of people are using that word of the day and phrase of the day. You explained your role very clearly, and also you shared your report in a PRC approach, that is commendation, recommendation, and commendation. So great job. And also what I like the most about your role was you also gave a tip of the week, which will really help all the audience present in this meeting. So great job done. Now coming towards the Toastmaster Mayuresh, you explained your role very clearly. You timed all the participants very nicely. There is no error in that on that part. I have personally checked the timings. So great job done. I really don't have any recommendation. Then the R counter, Toastmaster Manoj, he started presenting the report in a detailed way. I guess there are some technical glitches, so he could present it holistically. So no worries on that. Then Toastmaster INSEAD, table topic master. You explained table topic rules very clearly, and you also asked guests whether they are clear about the table topic session or not. That was really great job, and you stick throughout the meeting. Only I won't say recommendation; it's a suggestion to have your table topics short. To give you just one example, there was one topic. If you could go back in time, what will you tell to my younger self? So rather than saying that, you could have said a letter to my younger self. Maybe it will just shorten the time and it will help audience to understand in a easy way. So that was the one thing I would like to suggest. All in all, great job. I think that's all. I think I have covered all the role players. Over to you, Toastmaster INSEAD.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shamli, for that wonderful general evaluate, the whole report that you have given. I hope that has given the role players feedback and suggestions what to work upon, and I am also going to take that suggestions in consideration. Now, I would like to hand over it to our presiding, our president, Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster INSEAD and Toastmaster Shamli, and for this wonderful session. Firstly, it was a great session with so much of participation in the table topics, wherein people are scared of coming up and participating in the table topics. So great job done over there to all the guests. A big round of applause. And thank you so very much to our keynote speaker, Toastmaster Manu, for bringing up the importance of the Toastmasters in a variety way or in a different way, and it could hook up our audience and it could hook up our guests for the longer time. And you can see the impact post that, like a lot of them participated in the table topics. So thank you so very much to the keynote speaker, to all the role players, and to INSEAD for arranging this meeting in a fabulous way, and to our area director, Toastmaster Nishu, for gracing with her presence in the meeting. So first, let me take the opinion of our area director. How did she like the meeting, and what is her opinion?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Toastmaster Swati. And first of all, I would like to say that in 2016, at the same, when I joined the open house in Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest with my one of colleague. So I was amazed to see the confidence of speakers and variety of speeches and other roles. I joined Toastmaster with lot of stage fear, lot of things to learn. I want to enhance my public speaking and leadership skills. But I joined Toastmaster with very less confidence. But when I joined Toastmaster, I saw that there are so many things to learn. We can work on our listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. So in Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest, every time when I joined and I attended the meeting, I can see the variety. Not in the regular meeting, they have a lot of things to showcase the potential of our members in milestone meeting, special meeting. So there are mentors who pushed me a lot, because I also participated in one of the humorous speech contests. We have club level contest, we have area level contest, district level contest, and we have one conference meeting at the end of the May month. But you, my dear friends and dear guests, you have taken wonderful step today, because I know the pain that I have joined Toastmaster in 2016. And with the support of all the members, I am here today and I'm doing my role as an area director. I was totally housewife, was not able to speak or utter even a single word. So, but Toastmaster Vandana, you wanted to become an anchor. I think you have taken a great step in your life. This is a great platform where you can get opportunity to work with the role as a MC, and you can overcome the fear of stage. And this is the wonderful platform where we have a lot of audience and a lot of people to support you. And Toastmaster Vivek, you are very introvert, and you have mentioned that you have taken first step today. Yes, definitely, I appreciate it. This is our responsibility to take step to enhance your public speaking and leadership skills and be the best version of yourself. I'm really happy and glad that today you have taken wonderful step of your life, and we all there to support you. We all are here to guide you, to motivate you. Please take active roles and do regular practice in our regular meetings. Then only you will be able to become a good communicator and a leader in your life. Over to you, Toastmaster Swati. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, our Area Director Toastmaster Nishu, for always being encouraging and always being there whenever our club needed the support or needed that tap at our back. So thank you so very much. And now, if our keynote speaker Toastmaster Manu is there, we would like to hear from him. Like, how was his experience and how did he like the meeting?
Thank you, President Toastmaster Swati. As you rightly mentioned at the start while introducing me, Toastmasters Club of Pune Northwest is my extended family. I always love to be here, the smiling faces on camera, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all in person. So if you plan to have an in-person meeting, let me know. I'll definitely try and join in. So thank you for the great opportunity that you have given me, and I would again urge all the guests to grab this opportunity and the members to make sure that they are committed to their journey day in and day out. All the best to all the members and future members. Over to you, Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster Manu, for those kind words. Now, a big round of applause to our keynote speaker, Toastmaster Manu, as well as to all the participants in the table topic speech today. And all of them, I can see, have messaged their numbers in the chat. So all will be getting the participation certificates today. So because no one are losers or no one are winners today, all are equals, and a good effort by participating in the table topics. And for the guests, if they would like to know more about the Toastmasters and all, we have the guest briefing right away post this meeting. So over here, I would like to join the meeting. But before joining, I would like to mention a key thing. Like elections would be there in the next week, and election committee, that is myself, as well as Toastmaster Jay, and as well as distinguished Toastmaster Vinod, has conducted interviews throughout for 2 weeks, and we had come up with the conclusion of the members who would be representing the election committee in next week's election. That is, as a president, it is DTM Meenal, and I would like a big round of applause for everybody to give a big round of applause once I am announcing their names. So as a president, we have chosen DTM Meenal, and as a VP Education, it is Toastmaster Insia, and as the VP membership, it is Toastmaster Jeetu, and as a VP PR, it is Toastmaster Pavel, and as Secretary, it is Toastmaster Mayur, and as Sergeant at Arms, it is Toastmaster Pradeep. So all the very best to all the selected members from the election committee. Only the treasurer role is remaining because of some hitches and gaps, but still the on-floor thing is also available. So whoever is still interested, because there is no restriction or anything, anybody who is member in a good condition can understand the role and can participate. So whoever is still interested in participating in the treasurer role can certainly get back to me or get back to Toastmaster Jay or get back to our DTM Vinod, our election committee, and keep us posted. And rest all need not fear, because we have the floor open for next week and looking out for surprises. So you can always participate on floor. So all of you who wanted to participate on floor can keep the 2 minutes or speech ready, and let's go ahead with our elections tomorrow. So I would request all our members to participate actively in next week's meeting. And we as an ExCom would reach each and every one of you personally and invite you personally, as we do in our shadis and as we do in our major meetings. So thank you so very much, everybody. And I would join the meeting over here with this notification, and guests can stay back for guest briefing. whosoever is interested, whosoever is wanted to know more about the Toastmasters. So thank you, everyone.
Wonderful meeting. Wonderful.
Thank you so
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.